So part of the job is getting things prepared. In this case, we had some beautiful old evergreens.
Artistic landscaping will bring your beautiful dreams to life.
You get everything, everything's going to be artificial here with the grass, so it's going to be really, really good with that. So I'm quite looking forward to it and that. Something different. Nice area swooping around here. You can kind of see how the grass is going to be, and then trimming up the trees is going to look really sharp. It's going to be another big change. Just really bringing it to life.
When we started this project, there was a fair amount of foliage and trees and retaining walls and all kinds of stuff that needed to be adjusted. So part of the job is getting things prepared. In this case, we had some beautiful old evergreens that we really wanted to preserve, and so trimming them and trimming the deciduous trees around them was a key point in making everything work in this particular plan. The reason why we manicure trees and plantings is, one, to keep airflow. Especially with evergreens, we need that airflow to keep the needles thick and full, but also so they don't get too big. Most people don't know how to trim evergreens, so they just let them grow. And over time, they just get long and leggy, and we lose that nice compact foliage that makes them so beautiful. So when we can preserve and even restore evergreens or deciduous trees, we definitely take the pace to do that. Sometimes we need the man lift, where we can go up into the branches and actually do all of that work to prepare things so that as it grows properly. Right now, everything slopes to the street, and it's very open. So our idea has been in the plan to make it